everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my Boxycharm unboxing from my 2 subscriptions. I got the base box and also I got the premium box. I think that I'm going to just tell you about the product when I'm going to use it, because if not, these videos tend to be a little longer than what I would wish for. We are gonna start with the products that I'm not gonna use in this video. From the premium box, I'm not gonna use the booty drops. This is from Frank Body. This retails for $17.95. The Probiotic XLash Enhancer. This is from Dr. Lili Fan. This retails for $68. I'm not gonna use it firstly because I have to wait to do my makeup, and also because it doesn't really matter if I use it or not, because we are not gonna see results. And for my premium box, the product that I'm not going to use is this, a Surf Styling Leave-In from Bumble and Bumble. This retails for $30. I have already done my hair. Now we're gonna go to the products that I'm going to actually use, starting with these. This I got in my premium, and this is the Luxe and Willow Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager. This retails for $79.99. It doesn't bring a battery. I've already done that. In the instructions manual, which is this thing that I have on my hand, it doesn't say anything on how to properly use this. And so this is what you feel like it would do something for you. This helps to have a better metabolism, to help with healthy blood flow, to decrease fine lines, wrinkles, sagging skin. It feels really, really good. I like this. I like this a lot. My next product is gonna be this one from my premium box. This is the Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. This retails for $49. Oh, I like the packaging. Really, really nice packaging. It has a lid, and I'm going to use only what I have in the back of the lid. It smells really, really good. I like the glowy thing that I have going on because of this moisturizer. I'm going to skip primer, by the way, because I have just applied this moisturizer to my face, and I really like the effect that has brought in. And I'm gonna use also this other product. This came in my base box. This is from Truly Beauty Pineapple Haze CBD Glossy Lip Butter. This retails for $16. To hydrate and moisturize a little bit my lips before going with whatever lip product that I may use. Now I'm gonna do almost my entire complexion, and then we're gonna come back because I have one complexion product that I can use. Complexion is almost done. I didn't finish it because I have a new bronzer, and the bronzer I got it in my premium box, and it is from Vesca Beauty. Kiss by Soft Matte Bronzing Powder. This retails for $30. This one, I chose it, but the shade that I would normally go for, it wasn't, so I had to choose the lightest shade. I think it's going to almost do something for me, but probably, I'm not sure. But at least I'm gonna try it. It won't be the product's fault. It would be that it wasn't available and I didn't want any other thing that they were offering. I really, really like the packaging, how aesthetic and clean looks. And this is the actual shade. See that it is kind of very, very near to my skin tone. And it has kind of a coconut scent, which is really pleasing. I'm gonna use this flat bronzer brush. It has a little bit of kick up in the pan. And I don't see much. I really don't see much. Let's just try it in my forehead where any other complexion products apply. And yeah, it does something. It's really subtle. So maybe this can be my, this is going to be my everyday shade because I don't have to be careful with the application. It really browns the skin nicely. This is my next product. This is a Manna Kadar Beauty Hydration Happy Face Mist. This retails for $19 and it smells so good, so good, and I haven't even opened it yet. If it is as good as the smell, it is awesome. We have finished up the complexion and I'm ready for my eye makeup. This one, I got it in my base box. This is the Laura Geller, the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $45. I love the packaging. Let me just get out of the way. And the palette itself, classic Laura Geller. And this is how the palette looks in the inside. It has a mirror in the other side, which is the thing that I'm going to use at the moment. And in this part, I'm going to just breeze through it. As I said, I don't want this video to be as long as they usually are. This retails for $14 and I think that the shade is gonna be too dark for what I did in my eyes. This is the shade Cassandra and I'm gonna use it still, but I think not. It's going to be, oh my, it's gonna be too dark and I have already messed up the tip. I broke it. It came really nice, nicely done. And I messed it up when I took off the cap. Yay for me. Yeah, it's really, really dark. It is supposed to be a total lip thing, but I'm going to just line my lips and apply some other thing on top of that I would still get more of a light tone lip. It's really, really creamy. If it wasn't so dark for what I have in my eyes, I would have worn this without giving it any other thought. So sweets, this is it. This is the entire look using what I got in both of my boxes. We are just going to recap really quickly what I think about the products that I got in both of my boxes or the products that I use from both of my boxes. And I'm sorry, I really like how my eyes are looking and the combination of everything. I'm really enjoying it a lot. The first product that I used was the Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager. I enjoy this. I'm gonna try it when I have applied my entire morning routine and see if this helps or not in the absorption process. But so far, so good. The next product was the Jelly Moisturizer. I enjoy this a lot. It smells wonderful and it felt really, really good. And also, it gave this luminosity to my entire complexion that I loved a lot. Then I used the lip balm. I like how my lips felt, but I didn't like the taste that it left in my mouth. So this is kind of a maybe. Then we went to the bronzer. I love the bronzer. It was such a nice product, really easy to apply. It left this really subtle bronzing thing to my complexion, which I'm loving, loving, loving so much. And I'm happy that it worked. It worked. It really worked. And it has kind of a coconut scent to it. Then from that, we went to the mist. This smells so, I have a thing for smell. Either I like them or I hate them. I'm happy that all the smells from the products, I enjoy them. So the mist, I would only use it because it felt so nice in the skin. And the comforting sensation that I got from the smell, it was so good and it smells so good. And I don't know from what it is the smell. I don't know, probably it smelled like roses and aloe barbadensis. Jasmine, oh, that it is. Those three smells are amazing together and I like this a lot. From that, we went to the palette. This is such a lovely and nice palette. At first, I looked like, yeah, kind of, maybe. It looks kind of, I don't know, not boring, but the shades from one another, they weren't so different, like 5 or 6 of them. And I thought that they won't even show in my eyes, but I love how my eyes look. The only shade that I wasn't so amazed from it was this one here. It didn't do much for me, but still I don't mind. I use it first in my inner corner and then I apply this shade on top and it looks good. This one surprised me a lot. I thought it would perform a lot more gray, but no, it will look so nice in as in one and done eyeshadow look. I want to use them. This one I didn't got the chance to use it, and this one here. This palette surprised me. I didn't expect much from her, but I'm happy that she performed a lot better than what I thought she would do. And last but not least, the lip thing that for my look, it was too brown, but I got to do this dual thing, whatever, that, yeah, everything looks really nice, or I like it a lot. So sweets, if you did like it, also give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I really appreciate it. And if you want to get notified every time I upload a video, press the notifications bell, and I will see you